Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all of you who have liked my video and the persons who have subscribed my channel. Thanks everyone, whoever have liked it and whoever has watched it. I hope in the coming future you all will like the videos which I would be sharing on my YouTube channel. And sorry for the little delay. As we all know, we are all a little busy with the Ganesh Utsav. And आज इतने दिनों के बाद मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक अपने लिविंग रूम का एक टूर आज शेयर करूँगी. मैं आप सबके साथ ये शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे मैंने अपने लिविंग रूम को डेकोरेट करा है एंड द थिंग्स विच आई हैव यूज्ड इन माई हाउस. मेनली आप लोगों को यहाँ पे ब्रास की चीज़ें ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेंगी. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मैंशन दैट आई लाइक द ट्रेडिशनल डेकोर. सो आई होप यू ऑल विल लाइक एंड एन्जॉय दिस वीडियो टू. तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो दिस इज़ आवर एंट्रेंस. एंट्रेंस पे ही एक लैम्प है. आई बॉट दिस फ्रॉम Odisha, as I belong to Odisha, and here also you can see a small lamp, and this is the shoe rack, and the handle it's a veena, and this is also of brass. There is a small candle stand. So यहाँ पे साइड में I have a table stand. It's of a 3-piece table stand, and यहाँ पे एक plant रखा है. And as we all know that a little greenery adds a little touch to the room, to the decor. And here you can see this is basically it's a thing which is used to keep the pan. It's a diya, it's a agarbatti stand, and it's a little Ganpati on a shell, and this shell is of course a ceramic one. And this kettle, it's a hand painted one. We have made it at our home, it's not from the market. And this is a tissue box, it's of wood, and a side lamp. So it's a little decor of the corner. And here goes my 3-seated sofa. The cushion covers, these are made up of the brocket material, and as the size is a little I think I didn't got to buy a ready-made one of this size. So इसके लिए मुझे I had to stitch it according to my requirement. तो ये मैंने एक टेलर से देके स्टिच करवाया है. ये ब्रॉकेट मटेरियल है. यू कैन यूज़ इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट गोज़. इट इज़ अ पेंटिंग. इट्स ऑफ रानी पद्मावती. आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम चित्तौड़गढ़. इट्स आर द डिफरेंट वुड्स. these pictures we got from there only, from Chittaugarh only, and I have framed it to make it a wall piece. And here goes some of my little brass collection things. Again, you'll find a lot many of diyas at my place because I love collecting the different diyas. And this is I think this pattern belonged to the Kerala style. This of course is gifted by one of my friend. And these small pebbles, these also we bought somewhere from a market nearby. And the sofa follows like this. Here again in this corner, यहाँ पे भी मैंने एक छोटा सा प्लांट रखा है. And this table actually it's a बाल्टी. ये मेरी मदर का है and मैं उनसे लेके आई थी, which I have turned it into a side table. So again a brass antique thing which I have used. And ये मूर्ति हम उड़ीसा से ही लेके आए थे. I think we all know and that Odisha is it's a place where you can find such statues like things. So I bought it from Odisha. This is also a little stand, and these are the wheat grass I collected just on a way. Someday we had collected this. So if any of you are interested and if you like these things, small little things, you can collect these things and make your home a little decorative with the small little things. And this is again a small table. It's of a little brass and all colored. This also I got from Delhi. And here comes again the TV unit in our home. So these here also you can see some little things which we have made. These bottles are all hand painted. This is from our own home decor and our own creations. This is from the market. Again this teapots, it's all are hand painted. And again the small little brass, it's a deer. So these small little things I think add a little touch and it gives a really new touch to your house. Though a traditional one, it depends on how you like and you want to decorate your place. And this is the table, the center table, and this is how it's been decorated. As usual we have put a runner, and again as I said I love diyas. You will find different diyas. This is a diya, this is also a diya, and a little small statues of Buddha. These are two fishes, a mom and a daughter, just like mine's. And again the little pebbles I have decorated on a wooden tray. And this is again a diya and something like we can use it for what say that Google or something, I think it's been said at different places. And these things I have bought from a shop nearby our home. These are the little, it's a boat shaped little bowl like things which I have used to decorate. I have just turned it into a flower shape. So you can do it according to your requirement. You can use it in various ways. I think maybe in the next 4-5 months during the Holi or something, you can decorate it by keeping the colors inside it. So the little things, I think the small things, the little things which we get around us can make your home a beautiful place. And it shows the house is a place, it shows the reflection of your mood and the person you are. So this is how I am. I like the traditional things, the traditional decor. Thanks for watching. I hope you all liked the video. So please share, like and subscribe to my channel, that is Rupa's Creation. And of course let me know if you want to know anything about the hand painted bottles, the kettles which I have made, so that I can make a total descriptive video on that thing if you guys are interested for that. And please comment me and let me know if you want to know anything more, or if you like anything at my place, or just let me know. Please get involved to my video, and it will definitely give a little boost to me. Thank you.